rain across eastern parts of the British Isles from this weather system here, which is very reluctant to move away northeastwards. The radar picks it up, a zone of rain stretching from southeast England through East Anglia, through northeastern parts of England into eastern parts of Scotland. And there's still a few more hours of fairly steady rain yet to come across Norfolk, Cambridge and Suffolk, and that could continue to add to already standing water in that part of the country. Here's a view, in fact, across Norwich. It's still very grey, although that has improved over the last hour or two, but it's still very misty indeed across Bristol. This is Bristol, so some thick fog still across many parts of the Midlands into eastern parts of Wales. We'll find further rain throughout the afternoon in these eastern areas, although very gradually it'll turn a little bit drier across southeastern parts of England. The brightest weather, I think, round these western coasts, although even here there could just be one or two showers, but that'll be the mildest place. Temperatures about 10 to 12 degrees. Overnight tonight, still some further rain up in northernmost parts of Scotland, but many other areas dry, and fog could be a widespread problem tonight and also, I think, over this coming weekend. Temperatures a bit lower, about 3 or 4 degrees across some parts of the Midlands, but generally speaking, those winds are going to be light. Still a stiff southeasterly wind up in the northeastern part of Scotland. Elsewhere winds light, but this swirl of wind here in the southwest is a small area of low pressure. Here it is on the chart. It's actually going to move away during Saturday, and as pressure builds, a ridge of high pressure across the country on Sunday. Light winds means fog is going to become a fairly widespread problem, and the early showers in the southwest tend to move away. So some areas could keep the fog all day on Saturday and indeed on Sunday. So daytime temperatures may not be quite as high, but around the coast where the brightness comes through, still quite mild. Things though changing next week. One weather system coming in from the southwest on Monday, the next one coming again on Christmas Eve, giving some wet and windy and mild weather. So that's my prediction for Christmas, mild and wet.